Welcome back to Saravji hut. This week, exploring Google Cloud Machine Learning Engineer certification, I'm going to be reporting about the progress that I'm making, give you an interims report of what I have done so far, a new badge that I have. Let's dive in for week 11. Hello and welcome to my hut. My name is Saravji and I'm exploring Google Cloud Machine Learning Engineer certification, looking into getting started into data science, what these kinds of certifications add as value. This week I'm going to be reporting on the progress that I make, on a new badge that I have, and give you an interims report of what I actually have done so far going through the certification. So let's dive in. I was concerned about the progress that I was making. It felt like I was moving a little bit too slowly, but then I actually summed up for an interims report how much I have done so far, and I recognized that progress is actually relatively good for the amount of materials that is involved that needs to be dealt with. So let's dive into the interims report. Altogether, I spent so far in the past 11 weeks about 140 hours on these materials. This does not include the troubleshooting that I needed to do. These are actually 140 hours going through the materials, not battling with them to actually get them to work. Included in these 140 hours are 49 labs that I actually completed. So this number does not include the attempted labs and the labs that I needed to do multiple times for troubleshooting. If I would count all of those in, the number would be more closely to 70 labs, perhaps even 80 labs. This is the advantage that you have of me going through these materials for you. I'm going to be summarizing all of that at the end of evaluating the Google Cloud Machine Learning Engineer certification and put all the learnings together, so that you don't need to pick them out of all the materials and just have one source of reference. All in all, so far it is 304 videos that I consumed. Some of them are of better quality, some of lower quality, like to be expected. Part of going through the materials is that you solve quizzes and there a certain percentage of correct answers. That is part of the progression going through the materials. So far, I have solved 38 of those quizzes. And last but not least, having completed another course in the series, I got one more badge to add to the wall. This was the quick check-in for this week. I'm also going to be going through a couple of technical observations that I made, a little bit more additional learning that I have there, and another report on how much progress I made. Thanks for having visited me at my hut. Stay safe. Thank you for visiting me at my hut. My name is Saravji. Check out this content. See you next time.